Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix tab key not moving between buttons on Mac. So if pressing the tab key isn't moving between buttons, menus or other controls, keyboard navigation is likely turned off on your Mac. When this feature is disabled, the tab key won't move through all available controls on the screen. So let's fix this issue together. And to fix this, click on the Apple logo and then choose System Settings. Now on the settings page, scroll down and then go to keyboard. And now here, as you can see, I have turned off the toggle right to keyboard navigation. That's why the tab key isn't moving between buttons, controls and menus. So now here, all you just need to enable the toggle, and if you have already enabled the toggle but still the feature is not working, disable the toggle once and enable it again. After enabling the feature, try pressing the tab key and you should now able to move between button controls using keyboard. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.